friends, today we shall discuss a scientific topic called derivation of equation of uniform accelerated motion. The equation is s equals to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of uniform accelerated motion. So friends, look at this picture. Here an object is moving from point A to point B in uniform accelerated motion. In the point A, the velocity is known as the initial velocity, and the initial velocity is denoted by small u. So A equals to small u. In the point B, the velocity is known as the final velocity, and the final velocity is denoted by small v. So v equals to small v. The time from A to B is denoted by small t. So time equals to small t. The distance covered from A to B is denoted by small s. So distance AB equals to small s. The average velocity from point A to point B is denoted by u plus v by 2. So average velocity equals to u plus v by 2. So let us derive this equation. So friends, we know that s equals to v into t, the product of velocity and time. So friends, here v is the average velocity, and we know that average velocity is u plus v by 2. So s equals to u plus v by 2 into t. So friends, what is the product of v? We know the first equation, that is v equals to u plus at. So let us put this formula in place of v. So u plus at by 2 into t. Friends, u equals to 2u plus at by 2 into t. Then 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2. Then 2 cancel, that is ut plus half at square. So friends, we have derived the equation s equals to ut plus half at square. That is the second equation of uniform accelerated motion. Thank you.